Today our topic is binary number subtraction. So before doing subtraction, we must know about the rules of binary number subtraction, and the rules are written here as 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now you must be thinking here that 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. How this is possible? Because 1 0 it is in binary number, and the decimal number of 1 0 is equal to 2. So 1 0 is binary number and 2 is decimal number, and as we know that 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So as it is here, 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Hopefully I think you must have understood the rules. And now come towards the numerical. The sum of the numericals are written here as, you must be seeing here, 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1, as you know in the rule, is equal to 1. So it is the answer. It very simple. It is the same as the rules. Now come towards second numerical. 1 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, from the rule 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here 1 would come as a diff, so this is the answer. It is very simple, you can do it very easily. 1 1 0 1 0 1, 0 minus 1 from the rule 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now this 1 minus 0 from the rule 1, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the answer. It is very easy and interesting, you can do it very easily. Now come towards more numerical. 1 minus 0 from rule, it is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is it 1. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. It is the answer. It is very simple and interesting. Plus 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 1 minus 1 from the rule 1 minus 1 0. This is answer. Now let's come towards this one. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. It is the answer. It is very simple. Now check that the answer which we have got in binary number, are they same in decimal number or not? So 1 0, it is the binary number, and the decimal number 1 0 is equals to 2 and minus 1. So it is 1. So answer is same. So this one is right. Now come towards this one. 1 1 minus 1. In decimal number, the decimal number of 1 1 is equals to 3, and minus 1 2. So as we know that 1 0 is a binary number, and decimal number 1 0 is equals to 2. So the answer is 2. Same. They are same. This one is also right. To subtract binary number, if you have got this my method how I have solved it. If you like this video, so please like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Thank you.